Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about rest and repair. If we look at a modern lifestyle, the perfect way to have a diseased life and an earlier death is to have a high sugar, unhealthy diet combined with a high stress life and low activity. That's the perfect formula. And the thing that is ramping this up and making it even worse is not taking time out for rest and repair and rejuvenation. In our culture, somehow we pigeonholed this idea of rest and relaxation and rejuvenation as though it's a luxury rather than a requirement. Let's set the record straight. That is very unhealthy psychologically. It is destroying our relationships, and it's devastating our health. Rest and repair are key. And so let's take a look at where that shows up. Sleep, of course, is the obvious one. We have to do sleep the right way in order to get the benefits of rest and repair that happen when we sleep. Sleep deprivation causes cortisol levels to go up, and that means higher inflammation, that means more chronic disease, that's high stress levels. And that spills out into our regular daily life if we're not getting good sleep. So best practices for sleep are what are going to allow us to rest and rejuvenate and then repair our bodies. And it's crucial that we have the proper time for our sleep. So taking back our time, controlling our schedule, our sleep schedule, when we go to sleep and when we wake up is a key best practice for rest and repair. Now, there are other ways that we need to be resting and rejuvenating. Our morning routine can be a period of rest and rejuvenation as well. So getting up earlier so that we can have just time to ourselves, to meditate, to pray, to exercise, to journal, to express gratitude. Those are ways that we are also going to be able to rejuvenate and rest ourselves. We need to take control of our schedule so that we can incorporate and schedule right into our day times for rest. It may include an appointment with a nap, putting that right into your schedule. Now, other ways that we have to schedule are in the rhythms of our week and our month and our year. And so it's a best practice to schedule a sanity weekend once a month, which is a weekend where nothing is on the schedule except rest and rejuvenation. Another best practice is once a quarter, take a long weekend. And we call that a longevity weekend. Again, where you're focusing on rest and rejuvenation. Very many Americans are actually vacation deficient. It's a problem. And so we have to actually schedule that in as well. And our best practice there is schedule 2 weeks a year for vacation time. One of those, have it be an adventure vacation where you go to a new place and experience new things. But then another week of that year, schedule a staycation. Keep it simple. Low cost, just stay at home, but don't get tied up and drawn into all the things that are still on the to-do list. Really protect yourself during that staycation of just chilling out and relaxing. It's so important that we take control, that we take back our schedules so that we can plan for rest and rejuvenation. Because remember, it is not a luxury, it is a requirement.